Welcome to tutorial 7. I'm just going to carry on with this because we did quite an interesting little hexagon there. So we're just going to make it, just put a couple more commands in. So we're just going to actually say when we click on the pencil, we're going to delete the actual shape. So that just makes it a little bit more functional. So that's quite nice. Let's tidy that up. So obviously we can change these, and if you were doing polygons, you encourage the children to experiment. So we repeat 5, so it's going to be a pentagon. So 5's into 360 goes 72, so that's going to be 72 in there. So let's have a look. There we go. Now if we change it, say, to an 8-sided shape, 8 into 360 is 45. So an octagon, we're just going to make that smaller, make it 80, because I'm going to try and tessellate them. So maybe 50, I'll make it half the size. So we click on the sprite, and then we're going to draw one octagon. There we go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to say, right, if we want another octagon, we're going to have to turn a certain amount. So we're going to assume here that it's going to fit here. So we're going to end up with sort of 4 octagons around a square, really. It's a little bit difficult to visualize, but one octagon there, another one here, and that's going to be called a semi-regular tessellation, because it's not just octagons, it's octagons and squares. So I might have to debug this, but I'm going to have a go anyway. So I'm going to say, right, I'm going to turn 45, and then I'm going to repeat that 4 times, or let me just repeat it twice and see how I get on to start with. So it's going to turn 45 and then draw another octagon. So we'll click here. So it looks quite nice, we've got an overlapping shape, but it's looking to me, if we want a square in the centre, we've just got to turn 90. So let's have a go. No, I'm going to run out of time. I can tell by the music. I'm going to have one more go. 135. Let's just try that. Just made it. Thank you for listening.